Hello everyone, I am Kuldeep Swami, physics teacher at Suraj School, Mehendale. Today our topic is equation of motion by graphical method. Velocity axis meter per second, time axis in second. This is the origin. Let a body having some initial velocity u and then start with a uniform accelerated motion. So let us is the point. This velocity is considered as u. From here body start to move in uniform motion and attains a final velocity v. This is the point A and take time t. This is the time t, takes time t, this is the time t to reach at the final position. Consider some points. This is B, this is C and this is the point D. If this is the initial u and this is the final v, then this is equal to v minus u. So CD is also considered as v minus u and D is also considered as u and CE also considered as final velocity v. OE parallel to BC, so BC is also considered as t and AD is also considered as t. Now here is a slope exists, that is called theta, and slope is always in the form of tan theta. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular is CD. So CD by base is AD by AD. Put the value of CD. So tan theta is equal to V minus U and put the value of AD. So tan theta is equal to V minus U by T. We know that slope of velocity and time axis gives the acceleration. So A is equal to V minus U by T. Now second equation of motion. Let body travels distance S. So the distance traveled by the body is given by this area. Now OACDE is a trapezium. If we can calculate the area of trapezium, then it will be the distance. So distance is equal to area of trapezium. So S is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides multiplied by height. So S is equal to 1 by 2 parallel sides OA CE. So OA plus CE into my height OE. So S is equal to 1 by 2 OA is equal to U, CE is equal to V and OE is equal to T. Put V is equal to U plus AT. So S is equal to 1 by 2 U plus AT into T. So S is equal to 1 by 2 into 2U plus AT into T. Now S is equal to 2UT by 2 plus AT square by 2. 2 से 2 cancel. S is equal to UT plus half of AT square. This is the equation number second and this is called the distance time relation. This equation is called distance time relation. Now, in case of equation number third, there is also a usable of distance, so write as it is up to here same. From here, put t is equal to v minus u by a. So s is equal to 1 by 2 into u plus v into v minus u divided by a. A plus b into a minus b, v square minus u square divided by 2a, y cross multiply v square minus u square is equal to 2a s, and this is called velocity time relation. Sorry, velocity displacement relation, and this is called the velocity displacement relation. These are the equation of motion by the graphical methods. Now, in case of numerical situation, we use both first means slope and the area as well as. Suppose this is the time axis, this is the velocity axis. Consider that here is a numerical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 20, 30, 40. O, A, B, C. Find the acceleration from O to A. So O is the initial point. So initial velocity is 0. A is the final point. So V is equal to 40 meter per second. From A to A, taking 2 seconds, so time is equal to 2 seconds. So acceleration is equal to V minus U by T. So A is equal to 40 minus 0 by 2. A is equal to 20 meter per second square. From A to B, A is the initial point, initial velocity is equal to 40. V is the final point, that is also 40. Time is equal to 3 seconds. Now A is equal to V minus U by T. So A is equal to 40 minus 40 by 3. Acceleration is equal to 0 meter per second square. From B to C, B is the initial point, so U is equal to 40. C is the final point, so V is equal to 0. Time is equal to 2 seconds. So acceleration is equal to V minus U by T. So A is equal to 0 minus 40 by 2. A is equal to minus 20 meter per second square. Thank you everyone.